today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project for time tracking in Zoho Books. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what information you need to enter so your team can start logging time accurately against a project. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look over to the navigation menu. You'll see different sections for things like sales, purchases, and banking. What you want to find is the time tracking section. Go ahead and click on time tracking. This is where Zoho Books keeps everything related to timesheets, projects, and billable hours. Once you're inside the time tracking area, you'll see several options. Look for the one labeled projects. This is usually listed in the submenu on the left or along the top, depending on your layout. Click on projects. This takes you to a page where all your existing projects are listed, along with their status and basic details. If this is your first time here, the list may be empty, and that's completely fine. Now let's create a new one. On the projects page, look for a button that says Create New Project. It's typically located towards the top right corner of the screen. Click on Create New Project. This opens up a form where you can define all the key details for your project. In the project details form, start by entering a clear, descriptive project name. Choose a name that your team will immediately recognize. Next, select the customer associated with this project, if your organization bills time to clients. You may also have fields for things like project code, start date, end date, and a brief description. Use the description box to note any important guidelines or scope, so anyone tracking time knows what's included. You might also see options related to billing methods, such as whether the project is based on hourly rates, a fixed cost, or non-billable. Choose the option that best matches how you intend to invoice this work. If there are settings for budgeted hours or cost limits, it's a good idea to set those now so you can monitor progress and avoid overspending. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and reviewed everything for accuracy, look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right of the form. Click on Save. Zoho Books will create the project, and you'll be taken back to the project overview, where you can start adding tasks and logging time against this new project.